They laughed at my English. But this was not the end. I feel nervous today. I hope I don't make a mistake. Emma, please stand up and introduce yourself.
My name is Emma. I am happy to be here.
I am come from France. I live here now. She said it wrong. Her English sounds funny. I am still learning. Why is English so hard for me? Maybe I should stop trying.
Hey, are you okay?
They laughed at my English.
They laughed because they don't understand courage.
Courage? Courage?
You stood up and you tried. That is brave.
I was very scared.
Everyone starts somewhere. Nobody is perfect at first. So,
I am not stupid?
you are not stupid. You are learning.
Learning takes time.
Will you try again tomorrow?
Yes, I will try. I come from France. I am from France. Where are you from? I am from France.
My name is Emma, and I am learning English. I can do better.
Why is this so difficult? Maybe I will never speak well. Don't stop. I believe in you.
Maybe I should try again.
I will not give up. I will practice every day. My name is Emma, and I am confident. I speak English clearly.
Try this sentence again, but speak slowly.
I am from France, and I love learning English. I am from France, and I am learning every day.
That was perfect.
If this story helped you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to learn more English. Emma, can you read the next paragraph?
Yes, I can. Every morning, I wake up at 7 o'clock. Then I go to school and study English.
I am learning step by step. Very good, Emma. You spoke better today. Thank you. I am practicing every day.
You see? You are improving.
Yes. I am getting better. Confidence. Confidence means believing in yourself. Today, I will talk about my dream. My dream is to speak English fluently. When I started, I was afraid. But I did not stop trying. Mistakes help us grow. You are absolutely right. I am not afraid to speak anymore. I believe in myself. That was amazing, Emma. Thank you for believing in me.
You did not give up.
No, I did not. I was afraid before. But I am stronger now. They laughed at me before. But I did not stop.
I am afraid to speak English.
It is okay. I was afraid too. They laughed at me when I made mistakes. But I did not give up.
Then I will try too.
Yes, and you will improve. I was scared before. But I am not scared now. I did not give up. And I am proud of myself. Do not be afraid of mistakes. Keep trying every day. Today, I am ready. I will speak without fear. My name is Lucas. I am new here. I remember this feeling. Teacher, can I help him? Yes, Emma. I am afraid to speak. It is okay. Just do not give up.